In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a flowchart in Miro. Creating a flowchart can be a game changer when it comes to visualizing processes, making plans, or simply brainstorming your ideas. And with Miro, the process is intuitive and rather enjoyable. So, let's dive right in and walk through how you can craft a professional-looking flowchart in no time. To get started, you'll want to have access to your Miro dashboard. Once there, you'll see a button labeled Plus New Board. Clicking this will allow you to create a blank canvas. But here's a little shortcut for you if you're a fan of efficiency. Simply type miro.new into your browser, and it'll whisk you straight to a new board. Now, when it comes to flowcharts, templates can be a big help, especially if you're looking for a bit of a head start or some design inspiration. On the left toolbar, you'll find a section labeled Templates. Click on this, and then use the search function to look up terms like flowchart, process map, or workflow. You'll find various templates you can use. Once you find one that suits your needs, just click Use, and you'll be able to customize it however you like. Of course, if you have a specific vision, starting from scratch with shapes and connectors is also a great option. Don't be intimidated. Miro's tools make it quite user-friendly. Speaking of tools, let's talk shapes. Shapes form the backbone of your flowchart. By clicking on the Shape tool from the left toolbar, or by simply pressing S on your keyboard, you'll be able to drag out different shapes onto your canvas. The kind of shapes you use can help communicate different functions within your flowchart. For example, use a rectangle to signify a process or task, a diamond for decisions, and an oval for the start or end points of your chart. To add text to any shape, just double-click and type away. A little color coding never hurts either. Playing with color and size can help visually demarcate different phases or categories within your flowchart, making it more intuitive and visually appealing. Once you have your shapes, connecting them is key to forming a coherent flowchart. Select one of your shapes and look for the blue dots that will appear. These are your connection handles. Simply drag from one handle to another shape, and Miro will automatically draw an arrow connecting them. This arrow isn't just a static line. Click on it to add labels like yes or no if you're outlining decisions. You also have the option to change the style of the arrowhead or line, adjust its curvature, or alter its direction to suit your flowchart's aesthetic and functional requirements. And there you have it. With these tools and tips, you're well on your way to creating a clear, detailed flowchart in Miro, ready to share your vision with others. Keep exploring and customizing until your chart perfectly fits what you want to communicate. Happy charting!